Welcome. This is day 13. How are you doing today? Well, today's practice is something that will require you to use a strap. You can grab a long piece of cloth or a strap which is not very flexible so we can help you open those hamstrings that have been tied for really long. Your body will thank you after this. So let's get started by our legs straight, hands spread behind, and just staying here. I want you to just let your spine lengthen with every inhalation. Channelize the intention to breathe into the entire body. Intention to be with yourself and embrace your practice. Slowly get your legs together, fold it. Let's keep our both palms together in Anjali Mudra and let's chant Om sound. Inhale. I'm grateful for this amazing body. My intention is to breathe today, to breathe consciously and actively. Gently relax. Welcome to the practice. We start by lying down. So get your spine on the floor, let your body surrender to the mat. Put your both hands on your navel, checking your breath. From here, bend both the knees. To bend both the knees, let's take right leg straight up and just make circle from your knees. Yes. You can also bring the left knee to your chest as you're making these circles. Yes. Shoulders are relaxed. And reverse direction. And release. Switch legs. Left leg straight and circle it. So whenever you try to circle, you'll realize the movement is actually coming from your hip. Your knees is a joint that is actually just for extension and bend. So your knees cannot actually circle, they can only bend and extend, reverse the direction. So all these movements are coming from your hips. And relax. Beautiful. Straighten both the legs. You'll just take your right leg straight up and drop it down. Engage your core as you do this. Down. If you feel any sort of pain in your lower back, then I would suggest you to bend your left knee and do this. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Change sides. Left leg up, right leg either straight or bent. Keep your core alive. Keep pushing the lower back down on the floor. Rest through. 4, amazing. 3, 2, keep the legs alive, knees straight completely. 1, and bend the knees and stay. Beautiful. Slowly bend the right knee to your chest. Bring the right knee to your chest. Take your feet up and see if you can walk your hands towards your feet, soles of your feet, or you can hold it on your ankle. Trying to push this to your armpit and release. armpit and release. Wherever you are today, armpit and release, armpit and release. Let's change leg, left knee to the chest. Try to reach for your ankles or the arch of your foot. Push it down and up. 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 Release. Now, this is where we need the strap. You take your strap, extend your legs straight, and get the strap on the arch of your foot. Keep your legs straight, keep your hands straight, and from here, try to bend the elbows, keeping the legs straight, and extend. Bend the elbows, keep your face relaxed, extend. Bend the elbows, face relax, extend. Bend the elbows, keep getting it closer to you, extend. Bend, extend. Bend, extend. The knees are straight. You go as per your physical capacity and hold now. Knees fully straight, elbows bent, shoulders down, chin relax. Stay. And release. We do the same thing on the other side. Take your strap on the arch of your foot for the left leg. Straighten the legs completely, no bend in the knee, wherever your hands can reach comfortably. From here, bending of the elbows and extending. Bend, extend. Bend, extend. Bend, extend. Keep going. Close your eyes and try to breathe into the areas that you're feeling that stretch and allow your face to relax when you do this. Don't tense this up. Don't be in a jung or a war. Just stay. Stay, stay, stay. Knee straight. Hold. Hold for 5. Hold for 4. Hold for 3. Hold for 2. Hold for 1. Release. Release the legs. Release the strap. Just stay there and breathe. For the next one, we'll take the strap under the arch of the foot and try to lift up our head and go towards the legs and drop it down. Okay? Try to bring your legs closer to you. Lift up the head to the knee and drop it down. Legs closer to you. Lift up the head to the knee. Exhale down. Closer to you. Lift up the knee. Exhale down. Closer to you further. Lift up the knee. Exhale down. Lift up and down. Hold here. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Release the legs and just rest. Taking your left feet, extend it, pull it as close as you can. Exhale, lift up and release. Lift up and release. Lift up and release. Lift up. Try to get your shoulders off the floor. Try to get your knees closer to your head. Exhale. Crunch through this. Keep your core alive as you're doing this. And hold up. Slowly release your head. Slowly release your legs and breathe. Getting your strap on the side, bring the right knee to the chest, straighten the left leg, and now release the left arm so that you can open your knees to the right side. Stay. Keep pushing it further, all the way closer and down towards the armpits. Slowly bring the knees to chest. Switch arms. Take your knees on the left side now. Twisting, spinal twist. Breathe through your spine. Slowly bring the knees to chest and release. Left knee to your chest. Release your right arm so you can take the knees on the left armpit towards it. Pull it closer and towards the floor. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Every exhalation is going to help you create some space. Enjoy that space and let yourself relax into it. Slowly bring the knees to chest, switch arms, and go for spinal twist. Breathe. Slowly bring the knees to chest and extend the legs. Let your legs be wide. Turn out the feet and just pull the kneecap behind to the other leg also. It's like a wide stance of a frog. Flap the wings of the butterfly. Close your eyes and just keep flapping very gently. Don't hold up onto your thighs. Release it. Relax your toes. Relax everything that is not in use right now. Slowly bring the legs closer into a butterfly. Flap the wings more. Slowly bring the knees to chest. Rock front and back. 5 times. Front and back. Front and back. Front and back and front. From here, we'll just straighten the legs in the front. Lift up your chest. Lift up your chest more and more. Lengthen through the spine. And slowly keep your spine straight as you move forward. Bend forward. Keep it straight. Release the neck. Relax the head and breathe. Stay. From here, you're going to take your palms one step back. Inhale, lift up from your chest. It's like cat and cow. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up from your chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up from your chest. Open and shine the heart out. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up, widen those collarbones. And release. Make a good shoulder roll. Lengthen. As if you're doing a cobra. Press the palms, pull your chest ahead, and take the collarbone facing up. Slowly release the head down. Stay there and breathe. Feel free to bend the knees so that you can actually experience this in your hamstring more than your back. Slowly release. Get into a comfortable seat. Close your eyes. Eyes closed, body relax. Just stay here in your relaxation, being present, acknowledging and addressing everything that you're feeling right now. Block your right nostril from your right thumb. Inhale from the left.
Switch the nostril exhale from the right. Go for this at your natural pace. Keeping your eyes closed, relax your hands. Just lie down and have a good time for your relaxation.